What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today is finally the day we're gonna be taking the Charger off to paint. So we gotta move the E30 out, get this car out, and we're a little bit late, so we need to head out ASAP. So we got the car sitting outside, all nice and pretty. I still have these wheels for sale, so if anyone wants them, I'm giving them away for a steal. Like half the price you will find anywhere else. So if anyone wants them, hit me up on Instagram and we can sort something out. But as you can see, we also got the new tires here. So as I mentioned before, we're running 295 45 in the rear, and then these are 295 35. So they're a little bit thinner on the sidewall, and I got these from Lexani, which is a great company, so I didn't want to skimp out on some cheap tires. I'm gonna find out if the body shop has a tire machine, so once I drop this off, I'll figure that out, and then I can just drop these off to him as well, and then hopefully he can just do everything all at once, put the new tires on, put the rims back on, all that kind of stuff, and then we should be good to go after that. The main reason I'm not dropping them off with the car right now is because I'm waiting for all four. So these are the two rears that popped up. The other two for the fronts are still on their way. I think they're gonna get here like Tuesday or something. It's Sunday right now. So I guess once we get all four of them and I find out if he has a tire shop or not, I'll go drop them off. If he doesn't, I'll just go pick up the wheels from him, take them to a tire shop, get everything situated, and get them back on the car. So by the time the car's done, we can drive it and there's no issues. But we got one tire leaking air. For some reason, I guess there's an ill in there, so we gotta put some air back into it. So we got the car at the shop now. I went over the entire car with him, and he said it's not too much work. I got a pretty good job done myself, which I'm happy to hear. Like, I didn't mess up too bad on anything, so he was happy with it. He said it's not too much work, and they're gonna get it done pretty quick. I went over all the pieces that need a little bit of dressing, like the rear door piece where it kind of just moves, and the fender, the badge that I need to fill up so I can put my own badge there, stuff like that. And dude, I just want to say, super friendly guy, great shop, and turnaround is super fast. You know what he said? Today's Sunday, today's Saturday. He said by Tuesday we'll be done the entire thing. That's crazy, but I tell him, take your time, don't rush anything. I'll come pick it up Thursday, Friday, or something like that. So hopefully around that time we should get the car back. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to get this thing done. I got all the extra pieces in the back. I actually got the extra hardware in case he loses any, or he just needs some extra just in case. But I think overall, this should be done pretty soon. And yeah, I'm just gonna give him the keys now and we should be good to go. So back home now, we got this Corvette in because as I'm driving home, I was starting to have some issues, so this might be what we're gonna be working on in the next video. But I gotta head up back to the shop because I forgot the lug key for the actual car. So the wheels can't come off, and with the wheels not coming off, they can't really cut up. They don't wanna ruin the tires and stuff. But we also gotta throw the new tires. We have the 295 35s right here. And then these just came in today as well. These are the 245 35s, so all these new tires need to be thrown into the car, and then headed up to the shop so we can drop them off. They can get all that situated so that we can drive the car once everything's done. Other than that, I'm not gonna just go back and forth to show you guys me driving. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's a little bit of a short one and not much happened. We just dropped the car off. But in good news, the car should be done very, very soon. He was only estimating like 3 or 4 days for him to work. I just gotta say, Krisp Auto down in Beltsville, super nice people. The owner was super helpful, super friendly. Nothing but good thing to say about them. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I do appreciate you all watching. We're this close to getting the car done. So definitely stay tuned. If you haven't already, go down and subscribe. We're gonna be working on the Corvette as a little change up in the random schedule. And then from there we'll go back to the Charger, and hopefully we'll do a little pickup video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys the car before the actual reveal video, but we'll see how it goes. But again, thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
you.